What's up gamers? 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 Welcome back to another video.
But this era is probably going to be worse.
Me and my homies messing with guys.
Yeah. Before we continue with this video, I'd like to firstly apologize for being slightly inconsistent from my uploads. Honestly, I don't have any excuse. I really am just a lazy piece of shit. But I also wanted to say, this isn't really a build guide or tutorial for my PC build. It's more or less just highlights taken from my Twitch stream of when I actually built this. So if you want to watch my full videos, or if you don't want to miss out on things that's not included in the YouTube, drop a follow at twitch.tv/its_DelRo. It would be great and the support is amazing. I usually stream on weekends, even though I actually haven't streamed in like a good month or two. Anyways, enjoy the video. Also, don't judge what I'm wearing. I was just wearing a wife beater because it was hot.
I forgot to introduce you guys. So, right here, this is Caden, my dude. Caden, say hi to stream. Alright, head on. This is Blackie.
Oh!
Ethan.
Honestly, what, huh?
I shout out to this dude.
This is Calvin.
Okay, so we have the motherboard out. Right. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna put the CPU in.
I feel like I'm a dad, just like holding the toys.
Alright, we got the CPU in, boys. Let's go. Next is the RAM. Okay, we got the RAM in. There's the SSD. Where's the screw? Bro, literally the Mobo didn't even give a screw. Ah! Oh, that's not even it. Oh, it is!
Nice!
We found it. Okay, we got
Like
the
a Mobo.
SSD plugged in, boys. What the heck? Yeah!
Bro, that sucks! Wait, you know what isn't sucks?
Wait, hold on.
Sponsor of today's video. We care about you three viewers.
We are. That's the best part about it.
Sticker on the chair.
Sushi calling, is it me or is it
Sticker on the chair. No, I don't play this game fair.
Bring her back from the club, finna take her to my lair.
Ooh. When she see me, she get gray hairs.
Oh, I thought it.
Good though.
It works.
Leave the stream is probably
Yeah.
alright. But never be able. Alright, thank you for the PC.
I'm trying to find the nipple in the hole.
Sitting at the desk. Hair looking like Johnny Test.
Johnny Test.
Nest.
Come on, keep the rest. Do the rest.
Oh!
I wasn't even. We can play the normal lo-fi now. What the heck? You want me to song that?
Bro, you know he poops in there, bro. That text message. It was because of you. Are you AFK?
Are you what?
What the fuck? This PC is so heavy, bro.
You know it's not heavy? It's the sponsor of today's video.
You have a pride?
No, don't stand there.
I'm
Stop it.
not standing, I'm sitting.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, he got out.
Whoa, chill! We're installing the AIO. To the song, this is how you duck it. It's so stupid.
But you know what? This is stupid. The sponsor of today's video.
Yeah!
Are you not Turkish?
These dudes be telling lies.
Me and my homies messing with guys.
Yeah.
We're all Asian, small eyes.
Oh, you can't mess with me, but you could always try.
Tries?
You can always try. I like me some burgers and fries.
Oh.
I get that from Five Guys.
Oh,
Bruh.
He's stealing my power.
What are you doing? Here's a short montage of the finished product. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Also, if you want, drop a follow on the Twitch. It would help a lot. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.